Afternoon and a warm welcome to the Junior Science and Maths quiz. This quiz is organized by the Kwame Nkrumah University of Science and Technology and supported by the College of Science and the College of Engineering. We appreciate and acknowledge all our sponsors for coming on board and supporting us in diverse ways. We are truly and deeply grateful to you. The 2025 quiz competition is proudly sponsored by the KNUST e-learning. For all our media and video coverages, we are grateful. The Institute of Distance Learning KNUST, thank you for making our journey around the nation easy and pleasurable. The venues you provide to support the quiz are well appreciated. Dext Technologies. At Dext Technologies, we say practical science is now practical. Thank you for making our technology challenge round a reality. And you always make it very exciting and hands-on. And to our sponsors, the Ghana Grid Company Limited, provide reliable electricity grid for development. MTN Stakeholders Management, everywhere you go. Nestle Ghana Limited, good food, good life. And to our media partner, Kesben TV, thank you for partnering with us. Your engaging broadcast and commitment to quality has significantly amplified our reach and impact. We deeply appreciate your dedicated support and collaboration. I also want to thank the heads of the various schools represented today for this contest. We thank you so much for the effort put in. To our teachers who have spent hours and dedicated service preparing you to make it for this quiz, and even to you, our contestants, for burning the midnight oil, for putting in the hours and the effort to get yourselves registered for this contest. Not forgetting our fan base, our supporters, our jubilant supporters who are here to cheer us on and to push us over the finish line. Let's give ourselves a big round of applause. Okay, so my name is Prince Amponsa Kwabi. I'm a lecturer at the Department of Mathematics here at KNUST, and I will be your quiz moderator for this contest. Remember, the Jsmq program is tailor-made for learners in the junior high schools to enable them exhibit their understanding of the basic principles underlying the life and physical sciences. It is expected to make science and mathematics friendly and promote teamwork and critical thinking right from the early stages in life. Competing in this contest, we have Drobo Demonstration MAJHS. We also have Yadomboache Demonstration A, Basic. And finally, Wenchi Methodist C, Basic School. Let us hear from the contestants from Drobo Demonstration MAJHS.
I'm a student of Drobo Demonstration MAJHS, and I'm after them, and I'm called Afunyako Harrison, a Basic 8 learner.
I am Paul Vera, a Basic 9 student.
Thank you very much. Yadomboache Demonstration A, Basic, is also represented by
Divina Inima Perko, a Basic 9 student of Yadomboache Demonstration A.
I go by the name Roxanne Fankoma. I am a Basic 9 student of Yadomboache Demonstration A Basic.
Thank you so much. And then finally, Wenchi Methodist C, Basic School, is also represented by
Rosemary, a Basic 9 learner, Wenchi Methodist C.
Okay, and
I'm Opokwa Jeodad from Wenchi Methodist C, Basic 9.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. So let's give our contestants a round of applause all together. Okay. So contestants, you have microphones in front of you. Please keep the microphones turned on throughout the duration of this contest. When you are ready to answer a question or you are called to answer a question, please make sure you speak directly into the microphone. There are buzzers in front of you. We want to do a quick buzzer test. Let us hear the sound of the buzzer from Drobo demonstration. Thank you so much. Yadom Boachi, the sound of your buzzer. Thank you. And finally, Wenchi Methodist, the sound of your buzzer. Great. Thank you very much. There will be 4 rounds in this contest. Round 1 will be the fundamentals. Round 2 is the fastest finger, fastest brain. Round 3 is a science and technology challenge. And round 4 will be decoding the clues. I will be reading the instructions at the beginning of each round. Round 1, the fundamentals. This round consists of biology, chemistry, physics, mathematics, and ICT questions. If a school answers a question correctly, 3 points are awarded. If it is incorrectly answered, it becomes available as a bonus to the other 2 schools to compete for. The score for a bonus question is 1 point. Schools will have 15 seconds to answer questions that do not require calculations and 40 seconds to answer questions that require calculations. Each school has a maximum of 2 attempts for a main question and 1 attempt for a bonus question. Bonus questions are open to the other 2 schools to compete for by first ringing the buzzer. Failing to press the buzzer before answering the bonus question will nullify your answer, and so you score no points even if your answer is correct. Best wishes to all schools. Let us begin. Question number 1. You have 15 seconds to answer this question. This is a preamble. Please listen. A student performed tests on food substances A, B, and C and made the following observations. A is tapioca, B is ghee, and C is lentil. I'll start with you, Drobo demonstration. Give the main end products of digestion of A, B, and C.
Digestion of carbohydrates starts from the mouth.
That is not correct. The time is up. Question is available as a bonus. Wenchi method is for a bonus.
Carbohydrate is glucose and protein is amino acid. And fat and oil is cholesterol.
Because it's a bonus point, I will not give you the mark. Sorry. Yadom Boachi demonstration, your main question. In which parts of the alimentary canal does the digestion of each of the food substances A, B, and C start?
The digestion of A starts from the mouth. The digestion of B also starts from the mouth. And also the digestion of C also starts from the mouth.
That is not correct. It's available for a bonus. Okay. Yadom Boachi, I'll give you 1 out of 3. 1 out of 3. Wenchi Methodist C Basic School. Mention the enzymes that helps digestion in A, B, and C.
This in A is amylase, and B is protease, and C is lipase.
That is not correct. For a bonus, Yadom Boachi for a bonus.
A, you have amylase, B, peptides, and C. No.
Unfortunately, it's a bonus. Your time is up. That is not correct. And so when Chi Methodist, I'll give you also 1 out of 3. So the enzyme that digests A is amylase, that digests B is lipase, and that digests C is pepsin. For Yadom Boachi, we expected you to tell us A, the digestion of A starts from the mouth. The digestion of B starts from the small intestines. Digestion of C starts from the stomach. And for Drobo demonstration, the end products of digestion of A, B, and C are as follows. For A, we have glucose. For B, we have fatty acid and glycerol. And for C, we have amino acids. Okay, so question number 2. Again, you have 15 seconds to answer this question. Again, we start with the preamble. A liquid X burns in the presence of a gas Y to form carbon dioxide and water only. A portion of gas Y has no effect on blue litmus paper and red litmus paper. Liquid X is slightly soluble in water, but insoluble in organic solvents and lighter than air. So this is the preamble. Yadom Boachi demonstration. Liquid X could be said to belong to what class of substances based on its chemical reaction?
Salt.
That is not correct. One more attempt.
Acid.
That is not correct. The question is available as a bonus. And the answer is hydrocarbons. It belongs to the class of substances called hydrocarbons. When Chi method is C, give the name for liquid Y.
Base.
That is not correct. You have one more attempt. For a bonus, robot demonstration for a bonus.
Y is oxygen.
That is correct. So correct for a point. Robot demonstration MAJHS. What happens if red litmus paper is placed in liquid X?
It will maintain its color.
I will not accept that. One more attempt. For a bonus, you are not watching.
Red litmus paper will turn blue.
That is not correct. Double demonstration, I'll give you 1 out of 3. So I expected you to tell me that there will be no change. There will be no change. All right, question number 3. You have 15 seconds. Ajua goes to the school's computer lab to type her assignment. She presses the power button on the CPU, waits for the desktop to appear, and then opens a word processing program to type. After completing her work, she saves it on a flash drive and turns off the computer properly. Wenchi Methodist, I start with you. List the 3 main basic computer operations Ajua performed from the time she entered the lab until she turned off the computer. Drobo demonstration for a bonus.
Turning on the computer, refreshing it, and entering word processor.
That is not correct. Sorry. So what she does is to boot the computer, that is to press the power button and wait for the desktop to appear, then processing data, opening a word processing program to type an assignment, and then finally saving and shutting down. That is where she saved her work on the flash drive and turned off the computer properly. With the same preamble, Drobo demonstration, your main question. Explain why it is important for Ajua to save her work before shutting down the computer.
In order to maintain her work whenever she needs it.
Come again.
In order for her work to be available whenever she needs it.
I'll give you the mark. 3 points. So it's important for her to save her work before shutting down so that the information on the document is not lost, because saving will store the work permanently on the storage drive and make it available to her when she needs it in the future. Okay, Yadomboachi demonstration, your main question. With the same preamble, state 2 problems that may occur if Ajua turns off the computer directly from the power source without shutting it down properly.
It may catch fire.
That is not correct.
Her work can be lost. And
Go on.
The computer can get spoiled.
No. For a bonus. Looks like the time for the bonus is also up. I will give you 1 out of 3. Yeah, don't watch. I give you 1 out of 3. So there is a possibility of loss of unsaved data. That is, any work that is not saved will be lost immediately. And then also there's a possibility of damage to systems files or hardware, right? So turning off the computer abruptly can corrupt the operating system or hard drive, making the computer slow or unable to start properly next time. Question number 4. Again, this is a preamble to all schools. You have to explain the following terms. Drobo demonstration. Acceleration due to gravity.
Acceleration due to gravity is a constant figure, that's 10 meters per second square.
You have to explain. So it's not enough. For a bonus, I'll give you 1 out of 3. The question was for you to explain acceleration due to gravity, not tell us the value of g or the value of the acceleration due to gravity. So when an object falls freely from a certain height towards the Earth's surface, its velocity keeps changing. This velocity change produces acceleration in the object that is known as acceleration due to gravity. It's denoted by g with a value of 10 meters per second square, or in some places 9.8 meters per second square. Okay, Yadomboachi demonstration A, with the same preamble to explain. Free fall.
Say the question again.
Free fall. I'm sorry, your time is up. For a bonus. So Earth's gravity attracts each object to its center. When an object is dropped from a certain height under the influence of gravitational force, it begins to fall to the Earth's surface or to the surface of the Earth. Such an object moving is called free fall. Okay, so that movement is what we call free fall. All right. Wenchi Methodist Basic School. Buoyancy.
Say the question.
The preamble was to explain the following terms, and your term is buoyancy. For a bonus, Drobo demonstration for a bonus.
The last cell of an atom.
That is not correct. Buoyancy is a tendency of an object to float in a fluid. All liquids and gases in the presence of gravity exert an upward force known as the buoyant force on any object immersed in them. Okay, question number 5. Contestants, please listen carefully to the preamble because I'll be reading it only once and I'll not repeat it. So question number 5. You are to take pi to be equal to 22 over 7. Pi to be equal to 22 over 7. Yadon Boache, I start with you. A rectangular garden measures 40 meters by 25 meters. A circular pond of radius 7 meters is dug in the middle of the garden. Calculate the area of the garden not occupied by the pond. See, I don't watch it.
154 centimeters.
That is not correct. You have one more attempt. Drobo demonstration for a bonus.
It is equal to 880 millimeters square.
That is not correct. That's not correct. The answer is 846 meters squared. Yadon Boachi demonstration, your main question. A rectangular garden measures. Okay, so Yadon Boachi, you've had your 10. Wenchi Methodist C Basic School, your main question. Wenchi Methodist C. A school hall has a rectangular floor measuring 30 meters long and 20 meters wide. In the middle of the hall, there is a circular carpet with a diameter of 14 meters. Find the area of the floor that is not covered by the carpet.
Say the question.
A school hall has a rectangular floor measuring 30 meters long and 20 meters wide. In the middle of the hall, there is a circular carpet with a diameter of 14 meters. Find the area of the floor that is not covered by the carpet.
Pi equals 44 centimeters. Area equals 44 centimeters.
That is not correct. For a bonus, okay, now duty, you are talking about area, and the measurement was given in meters, but you are giving me an answer in centimeters. That cannot be correct. Secondly, the unit for area is meters squared or centimeters squared, so it can't be correct. The correct answer is 446 meters squared. Drobo demonstration, your main question. A rectangular swimming pool is 28 meters long and 15 meters wide. A square platform of side 5 meters is built inside the pool. Calculate the area of the pool not covered by the platform.
centimeters square.
That is not correct. You have one more attempt. It's available as a bonus. The answer is 395 meters squared. Again, you are using centimeters when the unit given was meters. Please pay attention to the question before you answer. We move on to question number 6. This session is on true or false. But before we go to question number 6, we'll take a very short break and we'll return to you shortly. So question 6. The following questions are statements. You are to state whether they are true or false. These questions cannot be passed on as bonuses. You have only one attempt. And contestants, please be minded that I will only take exact answers. Exact answers. So if your answer is very close, but it's not exact, I will not accept it. So thank you very much. So let's start with Wenchi Methodist C Basic School. Wenchi Methodist C Basic School. So you have to tell me whether it is true or false. No bonuses, one attempt only. Wenchi Methodist C Basic School. Mechanical advantage has no units. It is a dimensionless quantity.
False.
That is not correct. Drobo demonstration MA. Mechanical advantage is the ratio of the output force to the input force.
True.
Correct for 3 points. Yadomboache demonstration. A machine that multiplies distance instead of force will have an MA greater than 1.
True.
That is not correct. Yes, it is false. Drobo demonstration MAJHS. The probability of an event always lies between 0 and 1.
True.
Correct for 3 points. Yadomboache demonstration. An impossible event has a probability of 1.
False.
Correct for 3 points. Wenchi Methodist Basic School. If a coin is tossed, the probability of getting heads is 0.5.
True.
Correct for 3 points. And this will bring us to the end of round 1. Before we bring in the scores, we'd like to acknowledge our sponsors for supporting us greatly in this contest. The MTN Stakeholders Management, Dext Technologies, where practical science is now practical. We also want to thank sincerely the Ghana Great Company, Nestle Ghana, our media partners, Kespen TV. Thank you so much for your support. At the end of round 1, these are the scores. Drobo demonstration MAJHS, you have 11 points. Yadomboache demonstration, you have 5 points. Wenchi Methodist Basic School, you have 4 points. Thank you very much. Let's go on to round 2. The fastest brain, fastest finger. One question will be read out and contestants will compete to be the first to answer. Each question carries a score of 4 points. When the contestant is ready to respond, they should press the buzzer before they attempt to answer. Once you press the buzzer, you have 3 seconds to give a correct answer. Answering a question before pressing the buzzer will disqualify you from that question. If a school gets the question wrong, the 2 remaining schools get to compete to answer. Each school has a maximum of 1 attempt only to answer a question in this round. A wrong answer in this round will attract a penalty of 1 point. Let us do a quick buzzer test. Let us hear the sound of the buzzer from Drobo demonstration. Thank you very much. Wenchi Methodist C, the sound of your buzzer. Thank you. And then Yadom Boachi, the sound of your buzzer. Thank you very much. And so to round 2, fastest finger, fastest brain. First question. What is the work done when a force of 2.5 newtons moves through a distance of 4 meters?
$10.0.
I will not accept that. Drobo demonstration.
10.0.
That is not. Sorry, say it again.
10.0 Newton.
That is not correct. The correct answer is 10 joules. 10 joules, not just 10.0 or 10.0 newtons. Again, Rosemary, I realize you just answered without first ringing your buzzer. When you ring your buzzer, you have to wait for me to call you and then you answer. So even if your answer is correct in that manner, I will disqualify you from the question. All right, next question. The part of the ginger plant used in reproduction is called Drobo demonstration.
The root.
That is not correct. The correct answer is the rhizome. The rhizome. To the next question. The combining power of an element is called Wenchi method is C.
Valence.
Correct for 4 points. To the next question. When files and folders are deleted from the computer, they go into the Yadom Boachi.
The recycle bin.
That is correct for 4 points. To the next question. Kwame is facing west. Through how many degrees should he turn anti-clockwise to face north? Drobo demonstration.
90 degrees.
That is not correct. Yadom Boachi.
270 degrees.
That is correct for 4 points. To the next question. When the tester of a soaked bean is removed, the seed is seen to be made up of mainly
The question again.
when the tester of a soaked bean is removed, the seed is seen to be made up of mainly Yadom Boachi.
Embryo.
That is not correct. The correct answer is cotyledons. To the next question. The process by which a hot saturated solution is cooled to obtain some of the solutes is called Yadom Boachi. Go on.
Saturation.
That is not correct. The correct answer is crystallization. to the next question. The hypotenuse and side of a right-angled triangle are 13 centimeters and 5 centimeters respectively. Find the length of the third side. Yadom Boachi.
12 centimeters.
That is correct for 4 points. And this will bring us to the end of round 2. Once again, we'd like to acknowledge our sponsors. The Ghana Grid Company Limited provide reliable electricity grid for development. The MTN stakeholders management everywhere you go. Nestle Ghana Limited, good food, good life. Our media partner, Kesben TV, thank you for amplifying our reach and impact. The KNUST e-learning center, the KNUST Institute of Distance Learning, DEX Technologies, the College of Science at KNUST, the College of Engineering at KNUST. And also we want to salute once again the heads of the various schools and the dedicated teachers who have spent time in preparing the students for this contest. At the end of round 2, Drobo demonstration MAJHS, you have negative or minus 3 points. Yadom Boachi, you have 10 points. Wenchi Methodist C Basic School, you have 3 points. And so at the end of the first 2 rounds, Drobo demonstration, you have 8 points. Yadom Boachi demonstration, you have 15 points. Wenchi Methodist C Basic School, you have 7 points. Before we go to round 3, there is a substitution for Wenchi Methodist Basic School. Opoku Eje, you are stepping out. Eldad, you are stepping out for Faith Nyakon Efriye. So let's do that change now. So, Faith, you are welcome to the contest. Round 3 is a science and technology challenge. 1 question will be given to all schools. The question in this round will require contestants to perform a task that will be assessed. The score for this round is 10 points. Contestants will be given up to 10 minutes to complete the task. Round 3 is powered by the DEX Science set. To the preamble, you have been provided with a 9-volt cell labeled V, a diode labeled D, a motor labeled M, and a key labeled K1. Task 1, connect the motor, the cell, and the diode in series with K1. Connect the diode in a forward bias mode. Task 2, switch on the key K1 and observe what happens to the motor M. Task 3, switch off K and connect the diode in the reverse bias mode. Switch on K and observe what happens to the motor M. There are 3 related questions to answer after performing the tasks earlier mentioned. So, successful completion of the task will earn you 3 marks. Question 1, related question 1. What was your observation in task 2 and 3? This will give you 2 marks. Question number 2. Does the biasing modes of the diode have any effect on the motor? Explain your answer. This will give you 2 marks. And then finally, state the energy conversion process in the circuit. This will give you 3 marks. Contestants, you have 10 minutes. You may start now. 1 minute remaining. Thank you very much. To clean my slip number or scanner some. So I'm like and check the work that you have done. We will mark them and return to you shortly with the scores. Thank you very much. Thank you so much, contestants. 3 was the Science and Technology Challenge. You were asked to perform some tasks and answer some related questions. A correct completion of the task would earn you 3 marks. And correct answers to the related questions. So these are the answers to the related questions. So you will be earning 2 marks for connection of the motor moved. For connection, the motor moved when the diode was connected in the forward bias mode and did not move in the reverse bias mode. Then for question number 2, it matters because diodes only allow current to flow in one direction. And then 3, the process is chemical energy to electrical energy to mechanical energy, and then finally to heat energy. So these are the answers that we were expecting from you. Let us start with Drobo demonstration. You were able to completely perform the task. You scored 3 out of 3. You answered the related questions 1 fully correct, 2 out of 2. The second one though, you scored 0 out of 2. Your answer was incorrect. And for the third question, you answered correctly, bringing you to a total of 8 out of 10. Yadom Boache, correct completion of the task. You scored 1 out of 2 because you did not provide an answer for task 2 in related question 1. Then in the second related question, you answered it fully correctly, so you scored 2 out of 2. And then in the third question, you could not give the full energy conversion. You scored 1 out of 3, bringing you to a total of 7 out of 10. And then finally to Wenchi Methodist C, you were able to correctly perform the task, 3 marks. You answered the related question 1 correctly, 2 marks. Related question 2 correctly, 2 marks. And for the energy conversion, you missed 1 of the energy conversion forms. So you scored 2 out of 3, bringing you to a total of 9 out of 10. All right. And so at the end of 3 rounds, these are the scores. Drobo demonstration MAGHS, you have 16 points. Yadom Boache demonstration, 22 points. Wenchi Methodist Basic School, 16 points. And so we move on to the very final round of this contest. That is decoding the clues. The question will be read out in this round as a series of clues. If the question is answered on the first clue, 6 points are awarded. If it's answered correctly on the second, 5 points are awarded. On the third clue, 4 points are awarded. On the fourth or any other, 3 points are awarded. Contestants, you have to press your buzzer before attempting to answer a question in this round. Failing to press the buzzer before answering will disqualify you from that question and will nullify your answer even if it is correct. Let us do a quick buzzer test. Let us hear the sound of the buzzer from Wenchi Methodist Basic School. Thank you very much. Drobo demonstration, the sound of your buzzer. And finally, Yadom Boache, the sound of your buzzer. Thank you very much. I will be using my hand gestures to show you which clue I am reading. You will see 1 finger up for clue number 1, 2 fingers up for clue number 2, 3 fingers up, 4 fingers up, in that order. And so to the first set of clues. I am usually a part of some geometrical figure. I am mostly associated with a line or a circle. For a circle, I am a region, and for a line, I am just a finite section of the line. You will find me inside a circle bounded by a chord and an arc. On the line, I am a finite portion of the line. With a line, I am just the part of the line between two fixed points on the line. Who am I? Yeah, don't watch it.
Segment.
I'll give it to you. 3 marks, 3 points. To the second set of clues. I often come in various shapes and sizes, from simple to complex. I am a key part of the plant's reproductive system. People value me for my taste, nutritional content, and versatility. Wenchi method is on the third clue.
Fruit.
That is correct for 4 points. To the third set of clues. I am the basic substance that makes up all matter around. Drobo demonstration.
Atom.
That is not correct. Yadomboachi.
Cell.
That is not correct. My unique properties and reactivity make me the core of chemistry. Some of my kind are metals, while others are gases or non-metals. Wenchi method is on the third.
Element.
Element is correct for 4 points. And to the very last set of clues, set number 4. I am a well-known concept in physics. I am directly related to inertia. The more of me an object has, the more force it takes to change its motion. I am the measure of matter contained in an object. I am often confused with weight, but I remain constant no matter where. Drobo demonstration.
Mass.
Mass is correct for 3 points. And this will bring us to the end of round 4. Once again, we'd like to thank our sponsors, the Ghana Grid Company Limited, provide reliable energy grid, the MTN Stakeholders Management, everywhere you go, Nestle Ghana, Good Food, Good Life, Dext Technologies, to our media partner, Kespen TV. Thank you so much for partnering with us and amplifying our reach and impact. And so at the end of round 4, Drobo Methodist, Drobo Demonstration, MA, you have 3 points. Yadomboachi, 3 points. Wenchi Methodist, 8 points. What this means is that at the end of 4 rounds, Drobo Demonstration MAJHS, you have a total of 19 points. Yadomboachi Demonstration, you have 25 points. Wenchi Methodist C Basic School, you have 24 points. And so this makes Yadomboachi Demonstration School our winners for this afternoon's contest. You won by 1 point. Congratulations to you, Drobo Demonstration, and more especially to Wenchi Methodist Basic School. You started very slowly, but you fought your way and you almost pipped Yadomboachi to the first position. So congratulations to Wenchi Methodist Basic School and then also to Drobo Demonstration. Let's give them a round of applause. And then to our winners for this afternoon contest, Yadomboachi Demonstration, congratulations to you for a very good work, putting up a good fight. Even through the challenges and the fierce comeback from Wenchi, you still held your ground and you managed to win. Thank you so much. We want to appreciate our teachers and our heads of schools who have spent time in helping our students to prepare. To you, the contestants, for the efforts put in to get your names registered and then also to sharpen your skills and bring yourself up to compete in the name of your school. A big congratulations to you all. Then also to our supporters, thank you so much for pushing us to the finish line. Thank you for the support and for cheering us on. We thank you so much. Yadomboachi Demonstration, you qualify to the next round. We'll see you in the next round. Thank you. Have a good afternoon.